Hello students, this video is for class 7th, subject science, lesson 2nd and part 7, and this will be your last part, theory part. In the next video we will be doing exercises and question answers. So let's start. In this part we will be discussing about types of teeth. So let's start. Teeth are hard, bone-like growths in the upper and lower jaws of most vertebrate animals. Their task is to cut, break up and chew the food. Human teeth and their functions. An adult normally has 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw. These teeth are of 4 main types. There are 8 incisors, 4 in each jaw. These are our front teeth, sharp and have chisel-like shape for cutting off piece of food. Behind these are 4 canine teeth, 1 on each side, both on the upper and lower jaw and bottom. They are sharp and have a fang-like shape for tearing food, especially meat. The other teeth, premolar and molar, break up food and chew it. Chewing movement causes the teeth to act like millstones and grind the food. An adult human being has 8 premolars and 12 molars altogether. The molars are smaller and located in front of the molars. The premolars are smaller and located in front of molars. Next, structure of teeth. Despite their varying shape, all the teeth have the same basic unit. The part projecting above the gum is called the crown. Embedded in the gum and reaching into socket in the jawbone is the root. The body of tooth is made up of hard bone-like material called dentine, inside which the pulp cavity which contains blood vessels and nerves. Hard enamel covers the crown, but around the root is a layer of cement which holds the tooth firmly in place. Tooth decay. Food that is not removed from crevices in the teeth decays and produces acid that attacks the enamel. This is the first stage of tooth decay. Hence, it is most important to brush one's teeth regularly and to make regular visit to the dentist. Milk teeth. We have 2 sets of teeth during our lifetime. Milk teeth, which appear between the first 6 to 24 months of life, and permanent teeth, which grow from the age of about 6 years until the 20s. So this was your last part of this chapter, and what these paragraph tells us that an adult human being have 32 teeth, 16 on the upper and 16 on the lower jaw, and each teeth has 4 incisors in the lower jaw and 4 on the upper jaw. So total there are 8 incisors. Each jaw has 4 incisor teeth. And what are incisors? They are the front teeth which have sharp shape for cutting of the food. Behind these there are 4 canine teeth, 1 on each side, both on the upper and lower jaw. They are sharp and have fang-like shape for tearing food, especially meat. And now let's discuss about structure of teeth. Despite of various shape, all the teeth have the basic structure. The part above the gum is called crown, and below is called root. The crown is covered with the hard enamel, and around the root is a layer of cement which holds the root firmly in place. Now next is tooth decay. If you don't brush your teeth regularly, the food which get stuck around the teeth will decay and produce acid which will harm your enamel. Now milk teeth. Every human has two set of teeth in his lifetime. First is milk teeth which appear from 6 months to 24 months, and permanent teeth which grow from 6 years and until the 20s. So this was your second chapter, theory part. In the next chapter we will be doing exercises and question answers. Thank you.